welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna show you how to decorate a Christmas tree. We're gonna go ahead and jump in and get started. I'm gonna just show you how I do it. I'm gonna use the color scheme of silver, gold, and white. Choose whatever you want, have some fun with it. I'm gonna show you the basic steps of how I get through decorating my Christmas tree to make it look full. I'm just showing you now some of the different ornaments that I'm putting up. The best way you want to put up ornaments is to make sure you spread them out. You don't want them spread out too far, and you don't want them piled on top of each other either. So I like to go ahead and start, and then you can always fill in the gaps as you go along. And this ornament I love so much, I just had to show you. This was my daughter's handprint of when her first Christmas, when she was like 6 months, years old. So it's so special to me, and I always have to put it in the front of my tree. Just follow me along. We're gonna go ahead and get the rest of the ornaments put up. I'm just showing you some more fun ornaments that I got. This Let It Snow ornament, I got a pack of 6 of them. I believe at about $4 from the store at home. And then this ornament here, this super sparkly one, I think I even got for $1 at Walmart. This one, I love it. This was a light up ornament that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. As you see here, like I said, I'm spreading out the ornaments just enough, and I like to mix the colors so they're not all white in one section, all silver in one section, or all gold in one section. I like to spread the colors out so it's a mixture of colors around the tree. Okay friends, now we have all of our ornaments on. The next thing that I like to add are berries, and we'll spread these out in the tree as well. Also make sure you stay to the end of the video. At the end of the video, I do a bonus scene. I let you know the easiest way to clip your berries and your flowers. We have some more fun Christmas decor to add. I'm going to do the same thing, put these in and spread them out throughout the tree. And now it's time to add my favorite things, the flowers. I love flowers because they are great to fill in space in your tree. If you're able to get big flowers, get them. I do also collect them from the Dollar Tree, from Walmart, wherever you can find them, the bushels of artificial flowers, because these are what I use to make my tree full. Okay, we are wrapping up with the flowers, but as you can see, this filled up the tree completely and it gave it a brand new look, so make sure you do that. I also have some acorns that I'm adding in there, so anything that you find that you like, don't hesitate to add in your tree. It just helps to fill it in. Okay friends, now we're going to go ahead and add ribbon to the tree. Once I get all the ornaments and the flowers and everything I'm putting on there, and then I like to go ahead and add the ribbon on. I'm wrapping the ribbon around kind of like at a downward angle, so just take your time. It does take some time to play with until you figure it out, but you can do it different ways, but I like putting mine on at a slanted angle. now we're going to add our star. We're putting the star topper in, and we're going to go ahead and get the star plugged in. If anybody has any advice, please leave in the comments. How do you put a star on top of a tree? Because I am not good at it. I usually just rig it up there and somehow make it work. So please, if you know, help me out in the comments. Okay friends, and here we have the fully decorated tree.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy.
And if you like the snowflakes that you see on the wall, that's snowflakes made out of hangers, make sure you keep watching. I will have that video linked to the end of this one. And here's the bonus scene for the flowers or berries or anything that you cut. If you have a pair of pliers, that is the easiest thing to use. To cut it, you just use the bottom part of the pliers and you put the flower in and you simply just clip it off. And then there you have it, the easiest way to use flowers.
A figgy pudding, oh bring us a figgy pudding, oh bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer.
And then go ahead like we did in the video and stick them in the tree one by one.
Won't go until we get some, we won't go until we get some, so bring some out.
Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and check out my other Christmas videos that I have. Happy holidays and have a royal day.